Hello, Pestilence here with some locks that I just received from eBay. And what I have is an assortment of small locks, or as this one proudly proclaims, tiny lock. It's a 3-lever or 3-lever lock. So if you can read that. Tiny lock, yes, with a key. Okay, and I have 3 Yale locks. This one would be an 823, probably 823 and a half, because it has the chain on it. Let's see if I can get my grubby mitts out of the way. Although this has about 9 inches of chain. And this is a Yale in town. And this one is an 813. And it's also a Yale in town. Okay, this one has about 38 inches of chain on it. And it has that nice brass ring. Now, this is a Yale with the patent dates on it. And this is an 813 and a half. Although I'm not really sure if it changes just because it's got a lot more chain to it or not. I believe that this is a bicycle lock because of all the chain. I was hoping that one of them would be a 3/4 inch lock. That's the size that I need. I think that's an 800 and 800. But I'm happy that I've got these anyway, because they've got the chain on it, and this one has the brass ring as well. None of these came with keys, and they are troublesome to try to pick because they are lever locks, and they have a very, very, very small keyway. So, this lock, I'm not sure what it is, outside of shaped like a heart, and it has a key as well. Let's see, this one, I believe, is British made, although it does not have the symbol on it for what queen or king it was made under. So this must be a cheaper one. It says warranted, and if I had my glasses on, I'd be able to tell you what else it says on there. No, not even going to try. I'll just hold it up here, and if my phone will focus on it, then you can read it. And it has a key with it as well. A barrel key. And here is another English-made lock. And this one has the royal crown on it. And if my phone will, come on. There. And if I don't fall off my chair. Okay, it says on here patent, and then it has the crown, and then it has on here VR, which stands for Victoria Regina, which signifies the time period under which it was manufactured. which could have been any time from 1837 to 1901. That was her reign. And it has a nice key to go along with it. And this one, which also has a key, a barrel key, is a Romer and Company. And a number 1, which unfortunately I have been unable to find any real information on it. The best I could dig up was that they made an assortment of not only padlocks, but they also made prison locks, and I believe they made handcuffs. And I have found a mention about catalogs from 1882 and 1890, and I also saw a Scandinavian lock, a Scandinavian type lock, which they had patented in 10/20/74, and then a second patent on March 18th of 1879. So I do know that they go back that far. But that's all I have for you today on that. If I get any more information, of course, I will let you know. So thank you for tuning in. Thanks for watching. Take care. Stay legal. Bye.